morning. Hope you're having a great day. So today we're opening up the August Allure Beauty Box. I honestly am not too sure what's in it this month, so we will see soon. But if you're unfamiliar with the Allure Beauty Box, it is obviously a beauty subscription. It is $10 for your first box and then $15 thereafter. It's a mixture of like deluxe size and full size items. It's generally pretty good. There's been some disappointing months, but I think overall you get your money's worth, and it's pretty cool. When you sign up, you usually get a really good free gift. So I will leave my referral link down below. I don't even know if I get anything from it if you sign up. I like get emails that I'm going to get like a free gift for someone signing up through my link, but I've never received anything. But I hope you guys are. When you guys get it, I hope you're getting a free gift. So yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling. Well, actually no, I'm gonna ramble a little bit longer. I do have several giveaways going on, so if you have not yet entered, those are always down below. So let's get started and break this box open. So here is what it looks like inside. So there's always like a little pamphlet with information on the products, and then all the actual items come in a bag. It's been like really neon themed this summer, the bags themselves. They're always clear, so you can reuse these if you want. I honestly haven't yet, but I've heard some good ideas on how to, so I always keep them. So yeah, let's see what's inside. I guess the theme this month is Summer Brights. It says there are certain things that scream summertime. Lemonade stands and ice cream cones, sure. But where does my mind go? Bronze eyeshadow and vibrant lipstick. Throw either or both with the sundress and you're the vision of summertime radiance. So in the interest of keeping you stocked until Labor Day, we've loaded your box with these two summer classics, plus a much beloved Benefit mascara. Okay, now it's getting into the product, so let's stop reading. So inside like gives you like some notes from the editors. Like it doesn't really talk about the products, it just like says why they chose for them to be in here, and then it gives some pricing information. So I'll just refer to the pricing information as we go along, but let's get the first thing out. So this is Cargo Cosmetics Essential Lip Color, and this is in Sedona. All right, cool. So I just looked up really quick because I wasn't sure. Cargo Cosmetics is a cruelty-free makeup brand, and I'm pretty sure this is full size. Let's get it out of the packaging, which I think I just showed you, but isn't that cute? Sedona. I'm guessing it's bright based on like the intro in this box. Let's see. Ooh, so it's got like stainless steel looking packaging. Oh, this is pretty. It's like a coral color. This is definitely full size. I'm actually really excited about this. Let's swatch it. Ooh, it feels really creamy. That's beautiful. Like, I don't wear vibrant, bold, bright colors often, but I think I will get used out of this. I'm so glad it's not another liquid lipstick. I feel like we get so many liquid lipsticks, so I think I really will actually use this. It went on really well, I mean, on my hand. But yes, I'm pumped about this. Full size, I think. Let's see how much comes in it without me hopefully damaging it. Oh, yeah, so that's how much comes in the tube. I am stoked about this. I wonder how much this costs. Let's look. $22. So since I'm happy about this, already makes the box. So far so good. Yay, let's see what's up next. All right, this is something I will be putting in a giveaway. This is by Benefit. It's the They're Real, gosh, Beyond Mascara. I do like Benefit's mascaras, but I no longer use their products since they're not cruelty free, but I won't get into that. So this will be going in an upcoming giveaway. Next up, this looks like a small little sample, Primera Cream Hydrator and Illuminator, a nourishing moisturizer that protects, crafted from seed to skin, Alpine Berry Water Cream. Let's get that open. So this is only 0.16 fluid ounces or 5 ml, so definitely small sample. Wow, this is so small. So see, it looks like this, but then underneath it, it's not even like all the way full. This is so tiny. Yeah. But, you know, it's okay. It's only a $15 subscription, so you can't get all full-size items. But let's see what it says about this. Whoa, so if you do want the full-size item, it is 50 ml, so 10 times the size of this, and it's $40, and you can get it at Sephora. So that's a little pricey, but at least you can try it out a couple times and see if you like it before splurging. That is a huge bonus of subscription boxes and sample boxes. Get to try it out before you buy. And I guess I'd say the mascara. That was not full size. That was definitely like a mini mascara. But the full size is $25. Wow, we've been getting a lot of these. We have a mini makeup eraser. And I know I mentioned this in the past, but it's on my to film list. I want to compare two different makeup erasers I have. So I have the actual makeup eraser brand, and then another one we got in a past glossy box, I believe. Can't remember the brand name, but I washed them because they say you're supposed to wash them first, so it's coming up soon, hopefully. It's on my to film list. I know I'm way behind on things I've said I'm gonna film, but it's coming. But I already have several of these, so this will be going into a future giveaway. I got like 2 of the mini ones in a Birchbox, like 2 months ago maybe. But this is in black, I have the pink one. So the full size is $12. So, yeah, one of you guys will be getting this in the future. Wow, the next 2 things look big. This is Allure Defend Triple Action Eye Cream. This is 15 ml. This is definitely a full size. This is a huge eye cream. I don't know anything about this brand. It says cruelty free though, so A+. Let's open that up. I have a lot of eye creams. I think like months ago I said I needed some, and then all of a sudden so many have come into my life. I feel like we got an eye cream not too long ago in Allure actually. So, and it was a full size like Context. I haven't tried it yet. I actually just packed it in my travel bag today, so that's interesting. Allure Defend Triple Action Eye Cream with mulberry root and ginseng, native to China. So, another full-size item. This is gonna last forever. If you're in need of an eye cream, like awesome. This is $40. Wow, that's crazy. It has an unusual and very useful applicator. The plastic disc prevents you from pressing too hard that can wrinkle delicate under eyes. Let's open it. Whoa, this is very unique. I'm glad I read that because I haven't been reading the description, so cool. So is there no safety seal then? No. So that's kind of weird. There's no safety seal at all because I just pressed it up and it came out, but yeah, so this is cool, full-size item. I'm not sure when I'll get to it since I have multiple eye creams open already, but I will definitely use it. And then we have something here by Laritzi Cosmetics. We used to get Laritzi a lot, like very often in beauty boxes, but I feel like it's been a while. This is their Liquid Beam Multi-Purpose Liquid Illuminator. This definitely looks full size. So yeah, this is a pretty good month, and this is in Topaz. So I don't know, is this for your eyes or what? Let's see. This Liquid Illuminator makes me think highlight. Yeah, Laritzi Liquid Beam. This glittery liquid bronze eyeshadow, okay, so it is an eyeshadow, has a glossy wet finish, very sexy glam, and goes on sheer but is buildable. She said, I like building my bronzer over my lids and tapping this on the center. Okay. This has got like a normal doe foot applicator. Oh yeah, it's very light. That was just like one little swipe. Let's see, she said it's buildable. My eye wash is telling me to stand. I've been filming for a little bit. Yeah, I don't know. It's not really building up, but maybe on the eye, but it is pretty and subtle. I could see this looking good with your bronzer and your crease, so cool. And this is definitely full size. Did I see how much that was? Or say, this is $22. So we're getting a lot. And there's one more thing in here. This is by Erno Laszlo, New York, a multitask eye serum mask. And I will be throwing this in a giveaway as well. I feel like I've said that several times in this unboxing, but we've gotten so many things, and the things I'm keeping for myself are such high value. So let's do a quick recap. So this is the bag this month. Very bright neon, like yellow-green, chartreuse maybe. So we have this Erno Laszlo. I guess I should tell you guys more about it because one of you guys will get it eventually. A silky all-in-one hydrogel eye patch formulated with a powerhouse of ingredients to tackle the major signs of under-eye dark circles, puffiness, fine lines, and wrinkles. Cool. So we got this, and I bet it comes in a pack normally. Yeah, it says $35 on here, so that's definitely for more than one. I would hope so. That's expensive. Okay, what else did we get? So we had the Cargo Cosmetics full size. I think that's beautiful. I'm like tempted to put it on, but I'm already like done up. I'm about to run out the door to do trivia soon, so I think I'll save this for tomorrow or someday soon because I think that's so pretty. The Primero Hydrator plus Illuminator Cream, the water cream, this little sample. The Benefit Mascara, it's going to one of you guys. The Laritzi, like eye cream, whatever you call it. And this actual eye cream, the Allure Defend Triple Action Eye Cream. So yeah, I won't use this right away, but I'm excited to get use out of it eventually because I do use eye cream twice a day. Oh, and the makeup eraser. So what am I keeping for myself? I'll be keeping this since I swatched it. The Lippy eye cream. So I think overall this was a good month. The value is insane. $15 and we get like so much. So these alone, how much were these? 40, 62, $86 for those 3 items because they're full size. That is crazy, and that's not including everything else. So the value is awesome. So yeah, this is a good month for Allure, I think. So again, I will leave the link down below along with any giveaway links going on. Thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you guys so much, and I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.